what you want to do is now that you're done doing what you've done, now you want to install another theme. Because if you want to get a WordPress website done as fast as possible, you want to have a theme that can do that as fast as possible. One theme you're gonna have to install is this theme right here. It's called Astra, wpastra.com. So once you use the link in my description, I get a little bit of a commission, and that is if you use a pro version of WP Astra, but it just takes you directly to the place. So Astra in itself is a theme, and it's one of the best themes out there because it really helps. So you want to click right here where it says download now. You click on it. It gives you an option for the Astra Pro for $59. It gives you another one for $169 and another one for $249. So it absolutely depends on you. Look, they're even having a special offer today. It says get 10% off. So it absolutely 100% depends on you. But I don't want that. I want the free version for the both of us. So you click right here where it says download free Astra theme. You don't need to put in your information, but if you want to put it in, you can go right ahead and put it in so you can get updates and whatever. So what you want to do, just no thanks, I just want to download Astra. You click on it and it's going to download. So look at it right here, it downloads. Do not click on the zip file because you do not need to open up the zip file. Okay, and so what you want to do is you want to come back here to your dashboard and go over to themes. Click on add new. Give it a minute. Astra is loading. Click on upload theme. So you just drag it into here. Okay, and click on install now. Is unpacking the theme, is installing it onto your website. Give it a minute. Now it is fully installed. You want to click on activate. Okay, now this is how it looks. Alright, if you take a look at it, it's beautiful. It works. If you take a look at it, just look at how it looks. It looks, Astra needs lots of other things that come with it too. So what you want to do right now is you want to go to another website known as Elementor. Elementor is like a page builder. So you want to go over to Elementor. But for right now, you can use the link in my description to go over here. If you buy a pro version of it, I get a commission and you get a nice WordPress page builder. So it absolutely depends on you, or you can simply go over right here to the link to your dashboard, go over to plugins, click on plugins, click on add new, and just type in Elementor. You want to install the Elementor page builder. Install now. It's installing. Give it a minute. You can obviously close the boot of this. It's just installing right now. Okay, now you want to click on activate. So right now it is activated. You do not need to show this. So what you want to do right now is you want to go over to your site. So this is what your website looks like. Look, it looks like a very much well improved, website. It looks way beautiful and much prettier than it actually was before. Right now it is absolutely reset, most of the things I did. Even took out the logo and everything. So you can obviously do the customization. Customize. Give it a minute. And now, first things first, you want to go to header, site identity. It looks way different. So this is what's so beautiful about this theme builder. If you'd have used the first one I showed you, you'd have seen that at the end of the day, it still looked a little bit ugly. So I could have just jumped to this, but I just wanted to show you the variations in both of them. Display site title. You can take this out. Inline logo and site title. I can take this out. So choose your logo. This is my logo right here. Crop image. You want to put crop image because it kind of gives the the WordPress an option of what to do your image. Right now this just looks humongous, so you want to go to logo width and just drag it. Look at how small it looks. I want to at least give it a little bit of a size. That's a good size. Display site title. I don't need this. I already have this, so I can take this off. It's already taking that off. So that's just how it looks. If you want to put a tagline, you can put it. Let's just say, "Hi guys." Hi guys. So if you put display site title, display site tagline, look at it, "Hi guys," but you don't need that. So obviously you can take that out. Click publish. Now you want to go back, primary header. So if you put it this way, the logo stays. So if you click right here, the logo stays on the left side, which is pretty good. If you click the middle button, the logo comes to the middle of the website. I don't like it that way. It always looks too imposing on me. And if you put it on the right side, it just looks a little bit tacky. It's very good to keep it on the left side of your layout, but it absolutely depends on you and your preference. Width, it says content width. You can put full width. So it basically stretches it to the entire website. So if you have posts or anything, it puts it like a full website. I always like it when it says full width because it's pretty good that way. Bottom border color. So right here, you can choose it. Let's click purple. And look at it. Look at it right here. This is the bottom border color. So right here where it says like looks purple, that's pretty good. One of the reasons. So another way to know the type of colors to choose for your website is by using the colors used on your logo. So you don't want to step out of a, let's say this is purple for example, you don't want to go start using a color like green all over your website. It looks a little bit weird. So what you want to do is you can install a plugin called color. This is a color picker. Okay, you can, if you're using Google Chrome, you can obviously install this right here. So you use a color picker, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here, you're gonna click on the variation you want. I like this color right here. Control C or Command C. You can exit this, come over here, put in the hex code. So the number and the letters are hex code, and just choose it. That's a good one. And look at how it looks. Better. Layout, you can choose a layout this way or this way. I always love it on the left side. So publish. After that, come over to primary menu. So I want to show you something. So you see, if you look right here, you'll see home, contact, about us, services. You can also add a button. So if you come right here and click on button, it adds this button right here. You can change the text or whatever, but for right now we don't need the button. So I'm just trying to show you. Okay, it's just another way. Let me show you how it looks on a mobile phone. So if you come over here and click on mobile phone, this is how it looks like on a mobile phone. All right, so it absolutely depends on you, but for right now we don't need a button. So let's just disable this. None. You don't really need it. So you want to come back here, transparent header, enable on desktop plus mobile. So you want to be able to see everything on both of them. So then let's go back, click on global, typography, base typography. You can leave the default system font. You can choose whatever font you want. You can choose Arial, Georgia, whatever font you want. You can always leave the default system font as it is. There's almost nothing wrong with it. Just make sure it doesn't have like a serif around it. Serifs are like signs, like you see this one's on this logo right here. So if you see like things that have like the T that has the little dash stuff that's coming down. Let me just show you what a serif is. Serif. So look at it right. Look at examples right here. So you just want to make sure so people can be able to read, your website way better. So headings the same. You can just leave it the same. It's pretty good. You can change it if you want, but I just leave it the same. Buttons. I don't really have buttons right now. So what else? Footer. So you can also choose sidebar. Look at how this is leaning to the left. So you can choose sidebar. Default sidebar, no sidebar. So basically, it's gonna change it right now. Look at how this just stretched. So right now, if you put right sidebar, you're gonna look at the space. But if you click no sidebar, because right now we don't need it, we just need the full page. So that's pretty good. No sidebar, that's pretty good. Click on publish, pages, no sidebar, blog posts, no sidebar, archives, no sidebar. That makes it way better, way prettier. Publish. Then you want to come over here to footer. Footer widgets. Right now we have no widgets, but if you click right here, it's gonna change this. You're gonna have like a widget 1, widget 2, widget 3. So for folks who want to put things down here, you can obviously choose that. But for right now, you have no widgets, so you just want to choose layout, like the no widget sign right here. Instead, what you want to do is you want to change this. Okay. Because it says right here where it says copyright 2019 Blue Mirror. You can powered by Astra. You can take out that powered by Astra. So what you just do, you just come over here and you just delete it. It's gone. So right here, just Blue Mirror. So whatever your domain name is, you can obviously put it there. So site title, that's my site title. So if you change the site title right now, that's what it's gonna put here. Okay. So for right now, it's pretty good. Click on publish. That's it.